Welcome to Zoho SalesIQ. This video will tell you how to install the SalesIQ SDK on your iOS mobile application manually. And the requirements? The iOS SDK is compatible with iOS version 9 and above. Also, make sure you're running the latest version of Xcode in your development environment. For manual installation, you first need to download the SDK framework. You can do so by navigating to our user guide. Once the framework is downloaded, move to Xcode, Zilker Homes, and then scroll down to Embedded Binaries and click on Add Other. Add the MobiListen framework. Make sure to check Copy Items if needed, and then click Finish. Navigate to Build Phases and then to Link Binary with Libraries. Check the link binaries and add the libicu.tbd files if they are not already added. Now, open appdelegate.swift and include the import MobiListen statement. Then, the init statement. Inside the init statement, you need to include the app key and the access key. Use the application's bundle ID to generate these credentials inside the SalesIQ portal. Generate the keys and paste them inside their respective slots in the init statement. Then, set Zoho SalesIQ.show live chat to true. Only if you include this statement, you will be able to see the widget on your application. Choose the deployment target and run the build. When the build succeeds, the simulator opens up and you will be able to see the live chat widget on your app. I hope you found this video informative. Thank you.